Oh, one time I was preaching 2 months ago. Lord, sana naman yung land na hinihingi ko para sa monastery. Sana naman. Lord, baka nakakalimutan mo ha? Ginaganon ko si Lord. And there are 2 sisters who were listening at that time. Sabi ko yung may view naman sana at medyo malamig. And just like that, this family in Batangas called me, Father, we have a property. We hope you could see it. I believe more than ever now, if you have the size of mustard seed, what is the size of your feet? Feet. Size 12. Oh, pero the size of your faith is the size of your heart. If you really have a big heart, oh my God, your heart will be overflowing. Good measure, spilling over. So dear friends, maybe the other thing today, paalaala po ni Lord sa atin, increase our faith. Increase our faith.